Hey guys, I hope you're doing well. And depending on whether you're a red day or white day student, I hope you either are having a good Friday or Monday. And yeah, let's go ahead and get started. So, this warm up is meant to be able to kind of prepare you for what we've got going on today, which has to do with a comparison between China and the US in something called artificial intelligence. So, that's why this warm up relates to that. So, go ahead and take a look at that, hit pause, and then resume. Okay, so for today we're going to compare and contrast the degree to which a market and command economy, US and China, are helping countries to evolve regarding artificial intelligence, AI. So remember there's no such thing as a pure market or a pure command economy, so these are both versions of mixed economies. But on one side with the US we have more of a market, and on the other side with China we have more of a command economy. Okay, so I did want to let you guys know that we will be doing our debate. A lot of you guys thought we were going to be doing it today and Monday, but I'm actually going to be out of town on Monday, so I had to move the debate to Tuesday and Wednesday. So I kind of had to shuffle a couple things around. So a couple details about that. It's a pretty easy 10-point formative grade. For depending on if your white day, it's going to be next Tuesday the 20th, and red day is going to be Wednesday the 21st. And I get it, guys. The 21st is a no blended day, so everybody's at home who's blended. So that's why I said here, all students, including blended, please plan to tune into Zoom if you will not be in class in person. So if you can't tune in, your makeup assignment, you will get a makeup assignment opportunity, but it can only earn up to 7 points. So you really need to put in the effort to either be in class if you're a full-time student or to be a part of Zoom if you're a blended student. So as a reminder, I'm just going to go into my It's Learning account real quick. So as a reminder here, guys, we've got our economics overview page here. And check it out on the important announcements and links. It says Foster's Zoom Room. Click here. So that's where you're going to need to tune in during the time that you usually have class on either Tuesday or Wednesday if you're a blended student. Okay? So make sure you're doing that so you can have an opportunity to get the full 10 points for that assignment. I think it's going to be good. I think you guys have been really finding some good evidence and using the documents that I gave you really well. The three ways that you can participate. So you're going to be given a topic, one of our three topics. So remember, we have either education, healthcare, or military. If you do have a preferred topic, you can use a link on top of today's assignment to put in your request. So just a little preview as far as what this, let me just go to a live form here. Okay. So if you would like, you can go ahead and just fill this out where it has your name, your period, make sure you get white and red correct for Econ. And then you're going to say, I want education for vouchers, education against vouchers, healthcare for public health option, healthcare against public health option, military for keeping the current budget, and military for reducing the current budget. You just do that quick one, hit submit, and then I'll do what I can to be able to put you in that topic. Okay. So, other than that, if you would, oops. In order to participate, there's three different things you can do. You can either A, state your claim and back it up with evidence, just read directly off of your outline, or you can paraphrase someone else's views from the other side and provide a rebuttal. So what I think you're saying is this, but I think that that's wrong. Here's what I think, right? Or you can ask a compelling question of someone from the other side with your evidence to back it up. So we're kind of challenging what they're saying by saying, because on my side, this is how I feel. So what exactly are you saying? Something like that. Okay. So I think it's going to be a good opportunity for some discourse. And I think it'll be a good way to be able to show to the rest of our community that you guys are really smart and can have some great discussions without getting upset with each other. So we'll make that happen, and it'll be a great Great conversation. I did get a chance to go through your SDLs. I still have a couple that are trickling in, but if you did get scored as emerging, then I put your status as didn't meet expectation and a redo is required. If you're developing, proficient, or exemplary, then I just put met expectations. But if you got developing, you can do a redo. That's optional. Sorry, spelling mistake. So if you're developing and if you'd like to do a redo, just send me an email saying, "Hey, Mr. Foster, I adjusted my slides. Can you please take another look and see if I got up to proficient?" Please make sure that you're getting those redos done by October 30th. And I'm always available by email or It's Learning message if you have any questions. Okay. Last but not least, guys, as you can see here, we've got our assignment. So this is available in It's Learning for today. Again, if you have a preferred topic for our economic systems debate, that's in the directions. So make sure that you're just clicking on that link and you can go in there, but that is optional. So if you don't really care, if you're okay with doing any of the three topics, healthcare, education, or military, don't feel like you need to fill out that survey. There's a link to view the film if you're a blended student, so you can go ahead and click on that link. The film is called PBS Frontline in the Age of AI. AI stands for Artificial Intelligence. Okay, so just make sure you're going through and answering the questions. And it is in order, with the exception of the very last one, and it kind of encompasses all of the film. And this film is actually 5 sections, so it's a very long film. We're not going to go through all 5 sections. We're going to do maybe 40 minutes, maybe close to an hour. But so yeah, don't worry about that. We'll just do and it does say like from beginning, and then at one point it says skip to here, skip to there. So you're going to be skipping around a little bit. Okay. Okay, guys, I think we're all set for today. So if you have any specific questions, please let me know. But other than that, it's pretty straightforward. Just preparing for the debate and watching this film related to the command economy of China with the mixed market economy of the US and how they deal with artificial intelligence differently. So the last question has an opportunity for your kind of analysis / evaluation of how they do provide that opportunity for artificial intelligence differently in their country. So make sure that you're paying special attention to that last question. All right, guys. Thank you. Take care.